3-week series, I'm going to show you my 14 favorite stitches to do while binge watching your favorite TV show or your favorite Netflix series or Amazon Prime or HBO or Stars or Hulu. The list goes on and on. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, grab your remote, and probably a drink, and let's dive right in. Hi everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here, and if you haven't noticed, there's only one thing left. Only one example left of my whole series, 14 days of binge-worthy crochet stitches. So I'm gonna pull it out for you. This is a really big one. I'm gonna pull it out for you so you can see it. Might have to stand up. Let's see. Let me stand up and show it to you. This is a Whippy Chick original pattern. This is called my True Colors blanket. True Colors because I love the song. Oh gosh, I'm not even on screen. Let me move. I love the song True Colors by Cyndi Lauper. It's one of my favorites. And I wanted to make a blanket, kind of, you know, commemorating that. So I've got my rainbow blanket. It actually looks like a roll of Lifesavers, if you ask me. But it uses the boxed block stitch. The boxed block stitch. And I love this stitch. I found this stitch in my stitch Bible when I designed this blanket. And yeah, I fell in love with it. Super easy. So I used one skein of every color to make this blanket, plus a skein of white and a little bit of black for the border. And the good news is if you want to make this blanket, there's a tutorial for that. And if you just want to check out the stitch and want to just make the stitch, just go to the blanket tutorial. You don't have to make the whole blanket, just, you know, experiment with the stitch. So yeah, I hope you like it. It is definitely binge worthy. I watched a lot of something, I'm sure, while making this. I don't know what, but I watched a lot of something. So yeah, I hope you like it. Okay, everybody, that's going to do it. I have a huge pile now of all of my blankets and swatches, and I hope you enjoyed looking at them with me. I enjoyed showing them to you, and I hope maybe you got some ideas from this series of some different stitches you want to try for either blankets or baby blankets, lapgans, scarves, I don't know, even shawls or ponchos, lots of different things, even rugs, the linen stitch I used for a rug. So yeah, give it a try, give some of them a try. Let me know in the comments below, what was your favorite? Have you tried any of them? What's your go-to binge-worthy stitch? Just curious, fill me in. Until next time, my next series, which starts tomorrow, have a great day, and I'll see you in May. Okay, everybody, bye-bye.